shouldn't have to limit yourself to your favorite drink in liquid form, so we've come up with some frozen versions. We've got a frosé ice pop, a gin and tonic, and a pineapple margarita. They all share one base where we've got to make a sugar syrup, so we're going to start that first, and then we're going to get into our 3 flavors. So just in a pan, I've got 1/3 of a cup of sugar, and then 1/3 of a cup of water. And just put that over medium heat. And so that sugar has dissolved, so we'll just remove it from the heat and cool it for a little bit, and then we can crack on with the flavors. So we'll construct each flavor. So first we'll get that cooled sugar syrup in one of the bowls. We'll start off with the frosé. So I need a cup of rosé, and then I've also got some strawberry juice. Now we're gonna do our margarita. I've got some pineapple juice. Then gonna add in that sugar syrup we made as well, the same amount, 1/3 of a cup. And then tequila. And also again, use some good tequila. You'll get some flashbacks from university if you have some cheap tequila and it won't be good. Then in our 3rd one, we're gonna go gin and tonic. So again, use some good gin and then some good tonic. Some of that sugar syrup, 1/3 of a cup. And that's now formed the base for our 3 flavors for the popsicles. And we can get them into the molds. So I've got my ice pop molds. So one of these has 8 molds in it and they're 1/3 of a cup each. For the gin and tonic, I'm just gonna use some cucumber. We can get that into some of our molds. And it's just gonna give it a bit of a color. Then for the frosé, I've just got some raspberries, and if you just break them in half and put them at the bottom of the molds as well. And for the margarita, I'm just gonna use some mint leaves. So if you grab a mint leaf, just give it a bit of a break. It's gonna give it some good fragrance as well. Then we'll go in with our flavors. So we'll go first up with this frosé, margarita, and the gin and tonic. So we've got some wooden sticks that are going to go in, and to secure them properly, just use a bit of foil and just go over the mold. And then like you're at school and you're doing a bit of tracing, just push your finger so you can see where each mold is. So now I know exactly to go in the middle. And now that those are all flattened in, you're going to get that into the freezer for a few hours until you need a drink. So out of the freezer, and they're nice and solid, you're going to take that foil off. And I've just got some hot water to help us release blocks, and just dunk it in there quickly. And we're just gonna get them onto a beautiful platter of ice. And with the margarita, just go a little bit of salt on there as well. And there are your favorite drinks in ice pop form. If you take that to a party, you're gonna be a big hit.